In the modern era of warfare, unmanned aerial systems are becoming a significant threat on the battlefield. Pakistan, known for its innovative defense technologies, has developed a cutting-edge solution to counter this menace, the DESTO Spider system. What is the DESTO Spider? The DESTO Spider is a highly advanced counter-unmanned aerial system developed to neutralize hostile drones and unmanned threats. Designed for medium-range engagements, the Spider can detect, track, and neutralize multiple drones simultaneously. Its flexible configuration allows it to integrate with various platforms, making it ideal for protecting sensitive installations, military bases, and key infrastructure. First, we talk about its detection capabilities. Radar system. The Spider is equipped with advanced radar capable of detecting drones within a medium-range radius of approximately 5 to 10 kilometers, 360 degrees coverage. It can engage with physical projectiles, ensuring complete elimination of the threat. Autonomous operations. Spider operates autonomously, reducing the need for constant human intervention. Once deployed, it automatically detects and engages threats. Compact and mobile. The Spider is highly mobile, allowing it to be deployed on vehicles or in fixed positions. This flexibility makes it suitable for those who are used to overwhelm defenses, pose a serious threat to any military installation. The Spider's ability to engage multiple targets simultaneously makes it highly effective in neutralizing such attacks. The Spider's airports are safeguarded against drone-based espionage or sabotage. DESTO Spider is more than just a counter-drone system. It's a symbol of Pakistan's technological progress and strategic foresight. By developing such an advanced and versatile system, Pakistan has not only fortified its defense capabilities, but also positioned itself as a leader in counter-UAV technologies. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on defense technologies and military advancements with Uncover History.